So these are blown, these are also blown, these are just springs, and these are brand new shocks. So I'm saving up right now for some coilovers, either BCs or MTSs, or I don't know, probably fucking Joms at this stage. But for the moment, I'm just gonna be running some stocky shocks with some 55s. They were alright on the yellow car on the front. On the back I had coilovers, which I have coilovers on this, and these brand new shocks are probably going to be better than these blown fuckers. So yeah, there's the new shocks and with the springs. So that's that sorted out. Now I have to do bottom ball joint, top ball joint, inner and outer track rod ends, and the rack spacer. So I got the whole tie rod assembly out and the hub and the upper ball joint, so I gotta separate all this shit. And yeah, the rack spacers go like this, and then this goes on there, and that's it. Screw that back into where it goes. Bada bing, bada boom. So I'm quite actually impressed with the amount of lock you get for like €20. I don't know, it doesn't really translate in video, but for the price you pay and the extra lock you get, you just can't beat it. Like, should have done this ages ago. Look at that. For 20-30 quid, it's for free. Now that paired up with the extra lock kit negative camber, it's gonna be fucking spicy, and some spacers, it's gonna be juicy. Yeah, so thanks for watching that quick little vid of the extra lock.